Now, when a powerful global media giant like the BBC leaves its local Pakistani staff without salaries for 2 whole months, you have to look past the surface and ask why. Inside sources reveal a toxic trade-off. This delay is not a budget issue, it's a calculated pressure tactic by the BBC. Local employees are being squeezed by the network because they are not producing enough negative framing on domestic issues. To get paid by their foreign bosses, they are being pushed to manufacture chaos and paint their own country in the worst possible light. That pressure is exactly why we are seeing a surge of distorted stories culminating in the recent reporting on Azad Jammu and Kashmir. The narrative was so wrapped that the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting lodged a formal scathing protest. BBC Urdu ran claims of route blockades and food shortages based entirely on unverified assertions while completely blanking out official data. Why? Because a peaceful ground reality does not fit the negative quota demanded by foreign bosses. But the truth cannot be buried. Azad Kashmir's Inspector General of Police has completely dismantled these claims. Major lifelines like Kohala, Azad Patan and Bahrar Court remain fully open. Supply chains are active. The only temporary disruptions came from the member of the banned Joint Awami Action Committee attempting to block traffic, not the state. Yet, the broadcast flipped the facts to serve a specific geopolitical agenda. To the local employees working under these editorial pressure, please don't sell your soul for a foreign payroll. Stand up, speak out, and protect your journalistic integrity. This is your motherland. Hundreds of millions of Pakistanis work hard in this economy every day with dignity, without serving foreign agendas. Reject the pressure to fabricate. Stand with the facts and stand with Pakistan.